Hey everyone, this is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Just coming on this morning with a couple concepts that I've been working on. Simple concepts, grab and go type, any occasion. So let's go ahead and show the first one, which is this Spa Body Works from the Dollar Tree. I have the, let's see, that's the foot mask in there. I have the body wash. This is from the Dollar General. This has the foot care stuff like the tweezer, the, let's see what's in there, the cutter, anyways, the clippers, and a loofah. And in here is a small candle. I got these candles from Amazon a while back, and they smell pretty good. And I figured that can fit right here into this little spot. So yeah, so that is my first one that I wanted to show. The other one is this one here. This is one that I really like. I really like this one. I like the colors, the way they came out. So I have in here Dollar General body wash, Dollar General lotion. This is the exfoliating glove from the Dollar Tree. Of course, we have a loofah in there. These bath bombs. I need to find some more of these. I really like these bath bombs. We have here the eye pads. This is just a filler. Take up some of the space there. And y'all, I have this coconut caramel candle that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this is going to be tricky for me because I'm using my iPad and it's hard to put it down with, and I don't know, there's no pause button on here. But anyways, this is let's put that there. That is the fan that will be going right here. Let's see if I can open it up some more. Yeah. So that fan will, yeah, that fan will be going there like that. So that is this concept. Just turn it around. So yeah, so that is what this one looks like. Okay, let's move this one to the side and bring this one over. This one, y'all, this is let's lift it up. This is a basket that I've had for a couple years now. It was given to me, and I decided to go ahead and use it for this concept. So in here, of course, I have the gold filler paper. Actually, I have some white paper in there, and then I close it in with the gold paper there. So I think that turned out pretty good. I have, this is the from the Dollar General. And this is Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. And of course we have the Dove in there. I have one of the candles from the Dollar Tree. We have the loofah and the bath bomb. And what I did also was I used one of the exfoliating gloves. I just laid it there. The white glove right there, I just laid it there. And I put the bath bomb on top of it. Fill up some space and also make it look a little bit more high end. So yeah, so that is this one, y'all. And I think I like the way that one turned out also. This is the bow that I'm going to use. That's the bow that I'm going to use on there. And that is that one. The other one that I have is one of my LLCs. Everyone's been doing them lately, thanks to Creative Designs by Claudia. Yes, she gave us something new to work with. So first I was going to use that backing right there. Sorry y'all, my throat's messing up. I was going to use that backing, but then I thought it would be too much going on with the blanket. So I used the white paper instead. And I covered, oh, I'm losing something here. Let's find it. There. Okay. Yeah, so I used the white paper instead. So, and I put here, I'm using a pair of those ballerina slippers, a pair of the pink thermal socks. That's this one right here. And this is the Scent Theory from Walmart. I'm using that there. We have some flowers. I have the unscented candle and the Dove body cream, along with some flowers. And that is my LLC for this one. So yeah, we also, there we go. Let's try that again. And let's bring this one over again. Show them both. Let's bring this one over again. All right, so I thank you all for watching. I hope you like this video, and please hit the like and comment button. If you're new to my channel, thank you for visiting, and please go ahead and subscribe. To all my subscribers, thank you so very much. I appreciate you, and God bless.